To add a Google account to your Samsung Galaxy M17e is easy. All you need to do is simply open up Settings, and then under Settings, you're going to scroll and select Accounts in the Backup. From here, choose Manage Accounts, and then select Add Account. Next, go ahead and choose Google. And now all you need to do is simply enter in your account details. So the first thing that you're going to enter in is your email or phone number, and then tap on Next. And from here, enter in your account password. And then tap on Next and wait for it to verify. You will be prompted to confirm that it's you signing in if you have this enabled. So go ahead and just confirm. And then tap on Agree to the terms of service. And once you do that, you'll have successfully added your Google account to your Samsung Galaxy M17e. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.